Little Bird Bluebell flew from Little Bird Bluebell's nest, wondering where the most wonderful blue in the world could be. The big blue sky above is so vast, chirped Little Bird Bluebell, soaring high. Little Bird Bluebell thought the blue sky felt endless and free. Then Little Bird Bluebell spotted a patch of tiny blue flowers in a green meadow. These little blue flowers are so sweet and gentle. Little Bird Bluebell sang softly. Little Bird Bluebell carefully landed beside the delicate blue petals. Next, Little Bird Bluebell saw a sparkling blue river winding through the valley. The blue river looks so cool and inviting, Little Bird Bluebell observed. Little Bird Bluebell watched the blue water flow and shimmer in the sun. Little Bird Bluebell found a bush full of round, juicy blue blueberries. Yummy blue blueberries. Little Bird Bluebell peeped, tasting a sweet one. A friendly blue jay bird with bright blue feathers landed on a nearby branch. "Hello, blue jay bird. Your blue feathers are so striking," called Little Bird Bluebell. The blue jay bird chirped back, showing off its beautiful blue. Little Bird Bluebell thought about all the blue Little Bird Bluebell had seen. The blue sky, blue flowers, blue river, blue blueberries, and the blue jay bird. Every blue is beautiful in its own way, Little Bird Bluebell realized. Little Bird Bluebell then looked at Little Bird Bluebell's own soft blue feathers. "And my blue feathers are special too," Little Bird Bluebell chirped with joy. Little Bird Bluebell decided that blue was a truly magnificent and happy color all around.